Okay, so Miss Mouse Messy Steppers Shoe Cleaners. Hate Stains Company actually sent this to us so we could show it to you. And I've got some stains here on the toes of my shoes, and I got a little bit damp because you're supposed to get the fabric a little bit wet before you use this. So I kind of dribbled some water on, but you can see those little brown spots there. That's probably like little mud spots or something because I use these. These are my evening, kind of like night slippers, but if I have to take the dog outside, I will wear those. You can see it's kind of almost like a gel, it looks like when I spray it on there. And then I got a paper towel here. I'm going to kind of like work on scrubbing it a little bit here, and then we'll see what it looks like in a few minutes there. You can see it's kind of soaping up there a little bit. It looks like soap. So we'll see how that does here. I'm going to put it on pause so that I can scrub on that with 2 hands. Okay, well, that's kind of impressive there. This is the shoe. It's been about 5 minutes maybe. And I put this Miss Mouth shoe cleaner stuff on it. It's kind of a gel, and I kind of rubbed it in, and it got soapy and stuff. And I was rubbing it with these Ditoi clean face towels, which are thicker than a regular paper towel, and they're just a disposable face towel here. They sent these to us so I could show them to you. And I rubbed on it with that for 2 or 3 minutes or so, and then it was all soapy, and I couldn't see if the brown spots were still there or not. So then I rinsed it under a really slow dribble of water in the sink, and I didn't wash the whole shoe. You can see it's still dirty all the way around on the toes and everywhere. You know, like I didn't really wash it all the way. I just was working on those little brown spots that were on the top of the toe there, kind of like those ones there on the other shoe, but there were several very distinct, 4, 5, 6 of them, little brown spots here. And look at, like, it soaped up, and then I kind of rinsed it, and I mean, I scrubbed it with these Ditoi towels, and then I wow, I'm kind of impressed. I don't know how it'll do on these other ones. I haven't tried there, but boy, I'll tell you what, it cleaned that up really nicely. Because, like, if you presume that I didn't even have those brown spots, there's a little tiny bit of a shadow of one right there, I guess, a little bit of the brown spot. But like, if you presume it kind of looks something like this, now it looks like that. So look at how much nicer that looks and cleaner and stuff. So that is impressive.
Wow.
Thanks for sending that to us so we could show it to you.
Yeah, I got some shoes.
Yep, we got several pairs of shoes that'll be really handy on. So yeah, good stuff. Thank you.